If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Ably, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Log into your Ably account. Access your Ably account by visiting the official website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with the pending transfer. Step 2. Navigate to the transfers section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. In the transfer section, look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending and may include details such as the amount and recipient. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view more details. This will typically provide options related to the transfer, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Choose the cancel transfer option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Ensure you read any warnings or information about the cancellation process before finalizing. After completing these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ably's customer support for assistance.